Where do I start? That is the number one question for most home buyers looking for new construction. Learning the process is critical for new construction. That is why your realtor matters. Hi, I'm Carrie Ducharme with the Wolfe team, and I can help you accomplish just that. Purchasing a new build is a step-by-step process that starts with a licensed realtor. Having pertinent information available to you is also so important because most buyers' first impulse is to talk to the sales representative with the builder. Wrong move. Even though the sales representative is helpful, at the end of the day, their best interest is for the builder and not the buyer. And you need representation solely for your best interest to get the best incentives, interest rate, negotiate repairs, and make sure deadlines are met. Of course, there's a lot in between, but that's what I'm here for, to guide your every step of the way. Again, I'm Carrie Ducharme with the Wolfe team, and I would love to be your agent for life.